Hola! In a view, humble, vaudevillian veteran cast vicariously as both victim and villain by the vicissitudes of fate. This visage, no mere veneer of vanity, is a vestige of vox populi now vacant and vanished. However, this Valeris visitation of a bygone vexation stands vivified and owed to Vangus, this venal, virulent, vanguarding voice, and vouchsafing the vicious or ratious violation of violation. Normal English itself really difficult, and you are coming and talking this V for Vendetta dialogue for 30 seconds. How will understand, right? This is a big problem, right? For me, this is a big problem some time ago. But all you need to do is you need to change your spectacle. You need to spend some time and change that spectacle and see that with a different view. Same way, humor. If I ask any one of you, are you going to participate in humorous speech? 10% of the crowd will say, yeah, I'm ready. And the other 90% will say, I am not meant for it here. I am not meant for humorous speech. Gyan, I am ready to give. ISC, I have lot of concepts, cancer, death, everything I have, I'll come and deliver in ISC. But humorous speech, they will say, I don't have a concept. I am not a humorous speaker. I'm not made for this. So that is what people will say. All you need to do is, again, I'm saying, change your spectacles. Change your spectacles. Every problem we face in life can be an humorous speech. That's it. All you need to do is you have to change your spectacle and see that problem on the lighter side. That's it. That's it. Pretty simple. On that time, when you face that problem, you will be sulking. It is a complete embarrassment, and you will feel, oh my God, you will feel bad. But after 15 years or 10 years down the line, if you look at that problem, you will laugh. With that maturity, you will look at that problem. Oh my God, for this. So all you need to do is look at that problem and see it from the current maturity. It will be funny. That's it. Pretty simple. So take a problem. I have three things. I have only 20 minutes, I believe. And also there is a drag in time. So 7:55 should have started. Now it is 8:20. No problem. Maybe 15 minutes. I'll try to finish it off. Okay. There is a problem, and you give a funny solution to the problem. Number one, there is a problem. You give a funny solution to the problem. And there is a problem, and how you suffer because of that problem. The suffering you had because of that problem. And there is a problem, and people around you are suffering because of that problem. That's it. Problem, you give a funny solution. Problem, how you suffer because of that problem. And problem, people around you, how they suffer. That's it. Your education session is done. Look at the problem and give this, do this. That's it. Thank you so much. Over to you. That's a shocker, right? Yeah, what is it we can do? Okay, so come on, we'll have maybe one example in each thing. Maybe the example for problem and a funny solution. I'll give my example for my winning speech, which I used. Okay, so in 2011, I'm not part of Toastmasters. Okay, I was from a English medium background, but everything learned in Tamil. Okay, I'm not familiar with English, and I struggled a lot. And even after joining a big corporate, and there also you do a technically good job, you go to a performance appraisal, your boss will say, what is this? You're not getting good feedback from customer or client, and your communication has to improve. The feedback will be like this. So I did a lot of research. I joined Deepam Spoken English Center in Gandhi Road, Velachery. A lot of things I did, and one of my friends suggested me, hey, Toastmaster will be a good forum here. Why don't you try that? So okay, I went to a Toastmaster meeting, and it was very pathetic meeting. Okay, only 8 people were there, and speeches were worthless. And I was thinking, oh my God, how I am going to improve my communication in this meeting. So I was thinking, and there is one guy now. Our division conference, our district conference are happening online, and during that point, and there is no online registration. Also, people come to the club and sell tickets for division conference. That is the kind of time in 2011. There is no online registration also. So there is one guy came in for our meeting, and he was selling division conference ticket. And best of the best speakers will be there. I was thinking, what, these speeches are best. So 7 people were there, and the unprepared meeting, who is going to do what the role. So that kind of meeting, and he was coming and selling the ticket for. So I'm not at all sold for that agenda. So I was waiting, and finally he said, 250 rupees, unlimited buffet. Huh? Immediately I went to him, is it vegetarian or non-vegetarian? I said, non-vegetarian. Fabulous, give me 2 tickets. So my wife and I were decided to go for that conference. Sunday morning, 8:30, Marina Towers, Egmore. I'm not part of Toastmasters. So imagine I'm not a Toastmaster. Spider-Man t-shirt, torn jeans and sneaker, and with my wife and I were there in the Marina Towers, and just walked into the hall, looked into the people around, and I was looking at my wife and she was looking at me. Are we in Chennai? That is the question we had. Because all the buggers inside the room were in suit and tie. Sunday morning in the month of May, everybody is in suit and tie, and we were in casuals. We were odd one out in that group, and that was a fabulous conference. To be frank, right after the conference, I went to my club and asked, what is the procedure to join Toastmasters? Because the speeches were fabulous. Still, I remember from Krishnan Chidambaram, Eternal Bonds, because it was moved me. Okay, that kind of impact it is created. It was created on me. So I immediately joined Toastmasters. But this thought keep on running. Why they have to have a suit? Why don't we change for culture? So that is the solution I was trying to provide. If lungi is the official costume of Toastmasters, how it would be? So this is the problem for me, and you have to list down the solution, funny solution for this problem. Okay, so one of the problem is organizing the meeting is really difficult. So this is my favorite, actually, to be frank. This is my favorite suggestion I provided. One of the poorest fellow or soul in the XCOM member is Vice President Education. Vice President Education, Yasin, if you tie your lungi like this, your body language automatically changes. Satish, you may be district director. I don't mind. Come and play the Toastmaster of the day. Adil, you're not part of the club. I know. Okay, maybe area director. I don't mind. Come and play the role of general evaluator. Okay, Soundari, I don't laugh. President address has to be neat and fine. Okay, so give a funny solution. That's it. Other thing I did is one of the poorest fellow in the contest is Sergeant at Arms. This contest master gives direction and things to Sergeant at Arms, and this guy pressed the panic button when he was directed. Collect the mobile from the contestant, and he will search for cover, handbag, carry bag. But if it is lungi, you can put your mobile, tablet, laptop, your kid, even you can come inside. Just fold it and hold it. So like this, I wrote close to 35 ideas for lungi. If lungi becomes the official costume of Toastmasters, how it would be? 35 funny solutions I was thinking at that point. And finally, we derived the 13 or 14 I had. And I was using here and there for area contest, division contest. So that's it. A problem, you give a funny solution. Okay. A problem, you give a funny solution. Maybe there are a lot of things. A problem is like your toughest boss. How you give a funny solution? Keep him clueless, like what I spoke in the introduction, right? Ola in a view. So he should be clueless. What you are doing? He should feel scared to talk to you when you are walking to his room. Keep him clueless. And whatever you do, simple things, exaggerate. So these are all some things you can see. There is a problem, you give a funny solution. Okay. And the next thing is problem, how you suffer because of that problem. Okay. How much time I have, Yasin? Another 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yes, please. That is one problem.
5 minutes? Yeah, I understand.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, 5 minutes only, right? Okay, we'll wrap it up. So one of the biggest problem, I went to Northern Ireland, okay, for a short trip. Seriously, here, somebody was looking at me seriously. I don't think you have been to any of the country except Chennai. Okay, seriously, I went to Northern Ireland. I was there, and I don't want to eat pork, beef, all that in that country. So I saw a Subway close to my hotel. I saw a Subway. I never been to Subway in Chennai. Okay, but I know they are giving some sandwiches. So when you go to a new place, you always carry that get, right? Always carry that like I know everything, that kind of get. So I walked into Subway as if I know everything. I stood in front of the counter and said, can I have a sandwich? And she asked, what is the bread you want? All the bread we know is modern bread. So we will not give up that gete with the same way. What is it you got? And she said, 9 grain oats, Italian, all that. Okay, make it Italian. And she brought that bread and sliced it. And she was asking, what is the veggies you want? I looked at the counter, except onion and tomato. I don't know any of the vegetables in the counter. And again, carrying that gete, I was telling her, except onion, add all the veggies, please. And she added and she was ready. And she asked me, do you want cheese? Yes, please. What is it you want? Oh, you have variety in cheese also. Okay. What is it you got? So she said, Americano, mozzarella, Swiss, make it Swiss. And she toasted it and she was standing in front of me. What is the sauce you want, sir? This time I don't want to embarrass myself. I was telling, tomato sauce, please. And she was laughing at me and said, I think this is the first time you walked into Subway. Yes, this is the first time. What would be the best combination for this? So complete embarrassment, and she become a best friend of mine. So entire trip for 2.5 months, I was eating Subway daily, and she has become a good friend of mine. And maybe after some time, I had a chance to go to US, and there also the same way embarrassment, went to a Italian restaurant and asked chicken spinach lasagna, and that guy came in and asked, can you point it in menu? And this, oh, lasagna. How it becomes, I was looking at my wife and it's right, no, lasanga, right? Oh, 45 minutes we were there, and they were talking about something in the kitchen or in the hallway. We were thinking they are talking about us. And the $32 what we paid on that day is still not digested. Okay. Embarrassment. So all we need, so at that point, if you see, it is complete embarrassment. If you look at now, it's a laughter. That's it. And there is a problem, and you give us, and everybody is around you suffering. Okay. There is a season where gym will be crowded. The seasons are like January, every fellow in the city will take resolution, or marriage season. They want to look trim in the photographs, so they do it. There is other season when there are movies like Bahubali, Varanamayiram, Sarpata, all that. These guys, after the second show, when they stood up from the chair, immediately they will decide, I will also become like this. So that kind of resolution they will take immediately. They will go to the gym and they will ask, what is the membership for month? 1,000. Quarterly, 2,500. Annual, 7,000. Okay, make it annual. You'll throw the card and pay the. Now the trend has changed. Okay, so before joining the gym, you have to go for some test like flexibility, your diet consultation, all that you have to do, right? So after that, there are people will not go. Only they will do all this. They pay 7,000. Oh, hey, 7,000 worth it here for this. And after that, people will not. There are people who will go and trouble everyone around. They will go to the master and immediately will say, Master, six pack, what has to be done? And he will take you to one section. There will be a small section, and the pink, green dumbbells will be there. And he will take and give it to you 2 kg. You do this 20 reps, and he will do, Master, weight, no weight at all. And you remember that movie Villa the Villain? There is one specs guy with counter money. Wait till that kind of reaction they will give, and for them, this is what happens. And these guys, after that, they will go to people around and they will, Gee, how are you doing, Gee? Wow, it is like my thighs, Gee. What is that you are eating? What is the diet, Gee? How you are following? So these questions they will ask, and then they will go to the water counter and they will stand in the water counter. How much water we have to drink every day? 5 liter or 6 liter? So workout will not be there for the body, and they will give workout for only to the mouth and go around to everyone disturb. And there are people, senior people will be there. They will, before they do all this workout, they will give build up. They will go and search the weights around the gym. Okay, maybe 1,000 pounds they will put, and they will pick. And before picking it, there will be noise. Because when you look at the mirror, there are people behind him, girls, a treadmill and cross. They'll be doing the workout, and they'll be watching in the mirror. So this is the reason these guys will make, and after that, they will not leave the weight normally. They will do as if the weightlifters will do, right? They will throw the weight and so there is a problem and everybody around suffer. Elbow drivers, especially for me when I thought driving for my wife. Wow. Problem, how I suffered because of that problem. That's it. You can find problem, you give a funny solution. Problem, how you suffer, and problem, how others suffer. Pretty simple. Then humor will not dwindle. You can find humor everywhere. I'm sure now the script is ready. Maybe delivery will have a lot of questions since we have limited time. This is my email ID, cartic.md@gmail.com. If you have the script ready and we can discuss. And thank you so much for this opportunity. Alex, long time. I'm attending in tab. It is really difficult for me to type in. Good to see you back. Ranjit, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see
Over to you. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.